This is James from Social Intents. Today I'm going to show you how you can add live chat to your Shopify store. In our case, we want to be able to respond to live chat requests right from Microsoft Teams. So we're going to add our application called Live Chat for Teams, which allows you to answer chats from Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, or Webex. So first, open your Shopify dashboard and click on the Apps link in the left side navigation. Once here, you can search on Live Chat for Teams to bring up the Shopify App Store. You'll see our application listed here in purple. So click on the Live Chat for Teams and then click Add App. At this point, this will bring up an install screen that you just need to click Install Application in order to add the application to your Shopify store. Once you click on this link, there'll be an authorization process that redirects you to a newly set up live chat account in Social Intents. So this is where you can answer your live chats. You can configure your live chat settings here under the applications, and you can also set up integrations. Uh, so in order to add the live chat for Microsoft Teams integration, just click on the Integrations tab, select Microsoft Teams, and then click Add to Teams. Once you add the application to Teams, you'll be able to answer your chats that are initiated on your Shopify store right within Microsoft Teams. So now that the integration's added, let's look at your online store. So when we open this demo store here, you'll see that the live chat button has been added. Uh, this is this is your live chat button that you can configure. You can set up custom logos, colors, text, pre-sales information, office hours, all sorts of information is customizable. But you'll notice that when you start a chat here, the live chat request will come into the dashboard and now also to Microsoft Teams. For more information, you can visit us at www.socialintents.com. Thanks.